Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Seun. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy domain name and hosting from Whogohost. Whogohost is one of the best hosting platforms in Nigeria that you can buy your hosting and domain name from. So before I proceed, if you're yet to subscribe on my channel, maybe today is the first time knowing my channel, do it. I don't want to talk too much about that.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
So guys, let's dive into the video where I show you how to buy your domain name and also your hosting from Whogohost. Now, this video is just a part one of the video I'm going to be making. It's going to be a series of a video on how to set up a website completely. So the first thing is to buy a domain name and hosting. So that's what I want to show you, this how to buy a domain name and hosting. Then the next video is going to be how to install your WordPress. Then the next one is going to be how to get a template, then how to edit your templates, how to put your whatever, depending on the website you're building. So I'm going to be building a website for seundigital.com. So that's what we're doing in this video. If that's the kind of video you're looking for, then this is your home. Why can't you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss my next video on how to install WordPress, on how to set up the website, on how to edit the website, on how to make it look good. So let's dive into the video. The next thing you're going to see is my screen. So I'm going to walk you through that, and I'm going to go to my browser and log into my account. So for you to get an account on Whogohost, you need to register on Whogohost. So I'm going to be making it very easy for you by dropping a link in the description box. Just click on the link to register on Whogohost. Why? When you click on that link to register, they are gonna give me a bonus. Like, okay, thank you for telling people about us. They are gonna give me a bonus. It's normal. Also, you're going to, when you buy your domain name, it's going to be lesser than usual. Okay, so why don't you want to buy a domain name and make it a lesser price than just buying by just going to www.whogohost.com and just buy, and the price is high. So when you use my link in the description box, the price is a bit lower and you'll be good. Do that now. So let's go whogohost.com. All right. So clicking on Whogohost, the next thing I want to do right now is go search for the domain name here, and I know my name. Seun Digital is the name I'm buying. So I'm going to write it seundigital.com. Then the next thing I want to do is to wait for it to load up. Okay. What am I doing here? Sorry about that. seundigital.com. Let me search for it again. Seun.com. Search. So click on search, click on register a domain name. All right. So after which you've done that, it's going to tell you if it's available or not. So with the way I'm saying it, seundigital.com is available. So this site, when this site is ready, I want you guys to visit the site often. I'm going to be dropping a lot of information, free tools, a lot of free things there for you to use. So the next thing you want to click on is to click on this add to cart. All right, I want to click on add to cart right now. So it is 9,900 naira, but when you use my link, it's going to be a bit lower when you use my link to register. Okay, so after clicking on add to cart, then the next button you want to click immediately is to click on this button that says continue. All right, so click on continue. Then the next thing you want to do is to also get when you're buying a domain name, you need to get a hosting also. So I'm going to do the two straight away. So what I need to do is to click on this place that says, oh, you do not have a domain, you do not have a hosting, no hosting, click to add. So I'm going to click that button to add my hosting. All right, So if you're looking forward to register your domain name and to buy your hosting to build your website, you know how to do it now. So that's what I'm walking you through how to do it. So I'm going to buy this one that says 1,000 naira every month, and for years. So I'm going to be buying a yearly package, not monthly. So I'm going to click on this one. With this hosting, you have 6 gig web space. I have 30 gig bandwidth. I have 10 subdomain. I have 2 add-on domain. Then I have free.ng.com. Then I have free SSL certificate, unlimited email, unlimited database. So I think this is good for what I want to use for. And so I'm going to click on order now. All right. So when I click on order now, then the next thing it says use a domain name already in my shopping cart. So that's what I'll do. So I've already selected a domain name. So I'm going to click on use that domain name already in my shopping cart. It's already on it. So I'm going to click on use. All right, if you're enjoying this video already, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, forget about it. You know how to do it, okay?
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
So now let's go down and click monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, then annually. All right. So if I'm going to do annual, that shows I'm going to pay 10,000 naira. All right. So I'm going to click on it, then go down a bit. Then here, spam expert, email security none. This site log none. I don't need them. Code guard website backup. I don't need it. Then this is market go SEO tools. I don't need it. Then this one's. If I click on all these things, it's going to add to the money I'm going to pay. So I'm not ready for all of that. So I'm going to click on continue. All right. So I'm going to click on continue. Then the next thing I want to click now is also to click on this button that says continue. We've already added a domain name now. You see that we've already added a hosting. So we continue. So 9,900 plus 10,000 is what we're paying, right? So click on continue. So that's it. 9,900, 10,000. 9,900 and 10,000 naira. So we go down a bit. If you have a coupon code, you put it in there. If you don't have any, just let go. You don't need all of this. You created an account. So I'm not going to create any account. I have an account already. So I'm going to click on existing account, customer. So I'm going to log in my account here. All right. I'm going to put in my password. I hope I'm correct. Click on login. Okay. Good. Okay, so go down. After which I've done that, no, close this one. So go down. Now, payment. So here I'm going to select, am I paying through Paystack subscription or Raven or Rave. So what I'm going to use now, I'm going to use Rave, which is powered by Flutterwave. Click on that, then go down. So I'm going to see the amount I'm paying, 19,900. So I'm going to click on this button that I've already, terms and condition, agree. Then I click on this button that says check out. Then it's going to bring me to float away and ask me to input my card. Don't worry, your card is saved. Just use it and you're good to go. It says unpaid, so I'm going to go down a bit. Then this button is what I'm going to click next by saying pay now. Then this is where I'm going to put in my card. All right, so I'm going to put in my card here. All right, and I'm going to blur this part. All right, guys. Then I'm going to click on pay. You can see everything I'm going to pay after logistics, after VAT and all of those things. I'm going to be paying 20,178 naira 60 kobo. All right, so I'm going to click on it. Then this part, I'm going to click on this button that says proceed. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to go down a bit, then click on this because I'm using a GTB card. All right, depending on the card you're using anyway. So I'm going to click on this button that says, so I'm going to leave this one the way it is, send a code to my SMS as an SMS, then click on this button, then click submit. All right, so I'm going to click on it, then submit. So now they're going to send a code to my phone. So that code, I'm going to input it here. All right. 9494. I'm checking it on my phone, the phone I'm using to record. Okay. 948549. So the next thing is to click on submit. Thank you for your payment. Your payment was successful. We just sent your receipt to blah 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 at gmail.com. So I'm gonna wait for it. I won't press anything. Allow it to load properly. So if this kind of video you like to watch often, then this channel is your channel. So subscribe on this channel. I don't want to talk about it, you know how to do it. And give this video a like. So if you're waiting this far, you're waiting too long, it's not coming up, just click on close and then refresh it. So it says order placed. Continue to, so we're gonna click on this part. I say continue to client area. All right. Boom. So you can go down and say it. So that is how to register a domain name and hosting right now in Nigeria. And so guys, if you like that video and you still want to know how to install WordPress on your website, on the domain name that and the hosting you bought, you know, you want to know how to install WordPress on the hosting you bought, then you want to click on this one and watch it. Bye for now.